Another day, another vlog.
Subscribe to Kaila922 for vlog challenges, more stuff too. So give her a like and comment below, and then you'll know you're a part of the show.
What is up, people of the internet? It's Kaila922, and I'm here with another vlog for you. There's Haley. Haley, say hi. So we're heading to breakfast right now, which is super interesting. Not really.
Yeah, so interesting.
Yep, interesting. And that's about it.
Even though every other person like in the world eats breakfast.
Basically, we woke up today, I got ready, did my hair, sunglasses, makeup, all that good jazz. And that's about it. We just got ready, now we're heading to breakfast. It's gonna be a good day. Alright, see you guys later. Stop! Completely demolished. Like, gone. We're going up the mountain and we're being squished.
Yeah. Stop it. Stop it.
We're turning too fast. Ooh, look
Stop,
at the scenery. Literally, the scenery is lit.
The house is straight ahead, how they're built.
What? Where? Where? I can't see. What? See that scenery though? That scenery. We just had a moment where we thought someone stole my North Face, but no one stole my North Face, right, Mom?
Right.
My mom was yelling at my sister, being like, "It's your fault you left the car door open!" We're just walking to Warner Bros. Studios right now. We're gonna do a tour. Mom, do you want to say anything?
No.
Important. The sun's totally in our face. You can't even see her. Please. Check with you guys later. I'll show you some tour stuff. Stop it! So anyway, the tour, we're like in the middle of it basically, and we're not allowed to record any other point of the tour. So I'm recording now to update you guys. Basically, we got to see like scenes of friends and stuff like that. But that's what I'm doing.
I wouldn't mind going.
Please do that again.
And Kayla always does that to people. I wanted to scream. I wanted to kill her. Nice.
Okay, do you guys want to continue?
Oh, I love my family.
Look at Spencer over here.
And the gated coming out. Samara's literally being a dog right now, putting her tongue out the window.
She's not putting her tongue out.
I know.
Okay, that's really
but Jenna Gosher and Rachel Mayer will find it funny.
ASMR. 6 bedrooms. Kayla's literally ASMR. Open all day until 10 o'clock. Stop. Vlog the nuttage.
Haley just spilled all of these nuts. All over next to me, and they smell really bad. Haley, come pick these up. I'm not kidding.
Why would you be kidding about nuts? Okay, now I'm cutting off.
So basically we're just at Staples because we're waiting for Dad to get some book thing for his work. And then after we're probably gonna go to dinner. And what else did we do? We went to the Gilmore Girls set and stuff, which was really cool and really fun. Bucket list essentials.
We went to the Big Bang Theory set.
And yeah, we're done with our tour and we're just chilling in the parking lot of Staples. Well, parking garage, I guess you could say. Alright, check in a little bit. Hey guys, we made it to a restaurant and we're gonna go eat. See you in a little bit.
Only taking a picture with your phone once you read.
Years to his time in the war, starting a family, a career.
So we are back at the hotel now, and I don't think we're gonna do anything, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and some are staring at me right now. But thank you for watching. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and make sure to comment down below any questions you may have, and subscribe to me if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.